Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are alright. I know the cam is shit, the video is not the best. I'm using my laptop's webcam because I'm visiting my parents and I forgot to bring my microphone holder, so I'm using a cup to hold my microphone. I bet you didn't see something like this on YouTube before. It's not even important. Let's see what is happening because we have huge announcements from Benny Minku regarding the Maiar DEX, regarding locked MEX and right tokens, so on. Therefore, we need to dig into it and we need to check what is gonna happen with the Maiar DEX, obviously. So before that, let's just go through the charts. And as you can see, Bitcoin is rejected again at the breakout of this downward channel, which is obviously not the best news, but we are still in the beginning of the month. I am really hoping that we will be able to break out and and it can go and see some new all-time highs. Otherwise, if we spend much more time in this channel and by the end of the year nothing will move and Bitcoin is not gonna break out, then I think many people will lose hope and they might just sell just before they think it will drop and go to the, I don't know, 200-day moving average or to the 10,000s. So let's see what Bitcoin is gonna do. In the meantime, Ethereum, as you can see, broke out and it didn't go back too much. Now it seems that this 4,500 is holding the price, which is obviously pretty good news. I do think that Ethereum will go to the 7,000, 10,000s. That's what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm looking for. We will see how it will go. Elrond had this very big breakout, and that was during the town hall meeting because a lot of things were announced. They increased the APR for the MEX, for the locked MEX staking. Right tokens will be listed, and also you can get right token as a reward for farming locked MEX and MEX and right pair. This tweet thread, which we have here, kinda confirms what I was thinking before. Now let's just go through here what happened. As you can see, locked MEX is very important. And everyone who is asking themselves why I can't get into the IDOs, why I don't have access to new projects, or why I need to invest thousands of dollars into, I don't know, a launchpad token so I can participate in the lottery for a, I don't know, other project. Well, now you're in. If you have MEX, if you have locked MEX, you are in. And in the future launches of new projects, you can be sure that two things will be very important. One is locked MEX and the other one is Elrond staked, because Benny Minku pointed out in the town hall meeting that be careful how you unstake your Elrond, because the snapshots are taken every week, and at new projects those snapshots will have a very big weight into deciding who's gonna get into private sale and who won't. So yeah, be careful how much Elrond you unstake. As you probably heard, but if you didn't, the listing of the right tokens of the right project on the Maiar DEX will be on the 7th of December, that is Tuesday, and everybody will be able to start farming it on Thursday, which is, I think, the 10th or 9th of December. Now, there is also an update. Everyone who is staking locked MEX and locks it, we will get a higher reward. As you can see, the rewards are updated, the smart contracts are updated, and the rewards which come to the farm will be as follows. For Elrond MEX, Elrond USDC, and MEX farm, these are the pairs obviously, 94% will go to the locked pairs or locked tokens, and 6% will go to the unlocked. So if you lock your rewards and stake them back in with the double APR, your APR is actually a 12x. So make sure that if you are planning to do this for a longer time, if you are not in hurry to sell your MEX, which I am not, for example, if you ask for my opinion, as I said many times, I will not sell MEX for many years. I'm just farming it and accumulating it, and I will accumulate everything which comes with it. Then I think we will be in a very good position in 3, 4, 5 years, especially if Benny's vision comes through and Elrond surpasses Romania's GDP. That would mean $12,000 per Elrond coin. But yeah, let's see what will happen. A lot of things to do until then. Now, as you can see, after Tuesday, the listing of RIDE token on the Maiar DEX, a special locked MEX farm with RIDE rewards will be available, meaning that you will be able to lock your MEX in this pool and earn RIDE token as a reward. If you don't want to accumulate locked MEX, if you want to accumulate RIDE tokens, then you will be able to use your locked MEX tokens to lock them in this pool and earn RIDE tokens. Now, I don't know whether this will be locked RIDE or not locked RIDE tokens, but I think this is pretty cool because only with the MEX tokens which you got for free, you can earn RIDE tokens which you also get for free. And don't forget, the RIDE token is a metaverse project, therefore the opportunity is pretty high. So yeah, I hope that everyone acknowledges this. So let's see what you need to do to get this new APR. You need to unlock or withdraw your staked MEX and lock it again. And this should be done after the 1st of December, 8:30 UTC, and before 4th of December, 2:30 UTC. And until then, no penalty will be charged for the withdrawals. I already done this on my bigger account, but I also have this dummy one, which I'm gonna use to show it to you. Some people experienced some difficulties. I also had like 3-4 tries on a Brave browser until I could withdraw. So don't panic if you can't. Don't panic if your transaction is timed out and you need to restart. Your tokens are not lost. They will be there. If you can see them, refresh the page, refresh the Maiar DEX, disconnect your wallet, connect it again, and I'm sure that the tokens will be there. So this is what I wanted to do. So what I wanted to do is withdraw. So MEX staked and lock MEX earned. So I will just withdraw everything here. I have to confirm it on Maiar. Face ID. Okay. And we are waiting for the transaction. I'm very curious about whether I can remove it from stake or not, because my other account is with the Elrond web wallet, and it took a couple of tries until the transaction went through. Okay, as you can see, it was a success, and I will also withdraw this 100%. Yes, I will receive 2000 something and lock MEX. Yeah, that's fine. Let's withdraw. We'll confirm on Maiar again, face ID. Okay, and we wait. Okay, as you can see, farm stake is removed. So now all I have to do is stake again, and I will just choose the tokens. I will say that I will just do this and lock rewards for 12x APR and stake. And I will just confirm on Maiar, sign transaction. Yeah. And we are waiting again, but I'm gonna edit out this part of the wait because it's just getting too boring. So and before that, nothing went very quickly here with the farm adding and removing. So the reason it's like a couple of seconds for me is because I edited the video, just for your info. So don't panic if you have to wait more. It's nothing wrong with it. I also waited a lot. Okay, and farm stake added. Now the question here is, are you going to leave some locked MEX unstaked so you can earn RIDE token or not? Because here is what I'm thinking. I would like to earn some RIDE tokens for free, but if the reward is not too big and I could earn much more by locking back MEX with this new APR, then I will probably just buy some RIDE tokens after the listing. Make sure that you don't buy RIDE tokens at the peak, because usually this is what happens. A token gets listed, okay? This is like a chart now. I'm using the browser as a canvas, okay? So the coin gets listed, it gets the hype, does like 6, 5, 10x maybe 20, I don't know. People sell, and some people also buy here. It's a very bad decision to buy here. The project will drop down back to the maybe 1 or 2x from the listing price. Okay, so this is going to be something like 2x, and the drop will be around 80%. And then the price finds its bottom and starts to grow up over time. Now the problem will be that if you buy here, then you will have to wait a lot of time just to get back into zero, while others will do another 10x, 5x, anything from this point to this point. And yeah, it could be painful, it could be hurtful. Now if you buy here and also here, your, let's say, average price will be somewhere here, and you will still need to wait this period to, let's say, come back to zero dollar cost average. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna follow the price, and after it drops, if it drops, but this usually happens in the first 1 day or maybe 1 hour, I will start to buy in here gradually, nicely, and I will try to make a very good average in this zone, because to get back from here to that zone, yeah, that shouldn't take too much. So be careful what you do, be careful where you buy. Again, it will look something like this over time. Don't buy here, no, this is bad. Buy somewhere here. This is the good one. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Just a recap. RIDE token is listed this Tuesday, the one which is coming on the 7th of December. You will be able to earn RIDE tokens by locking locked MEX. And to get the higher APR, to get the higher rewards on the locked MEX, you need to withdraw and stake again your locked MEX on the Maiar exchange. Hope you liked the content. If you did, smash the like button, and if I left out something, please write it in the comments. Help everybody, help the others to have all the information to be as profitable as possible. Thanks again, and see you next time.